Okay, my name is Wanda Desmond Fortune, a lateral computer science student from Cairo University. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who need future videos, you can subscribe, can like and comment if the video is interesting. Mainly, in this video, I'm going to take you through the AI project I'm working on at college. And the AI project is all about sports betting, and it's all about predicting matches, predicting correct scores, predicting the outcome of the matches, and this is going to solve the problem of the increased and high risks of what? High risks of losing while playing sports bet. As you see, many people in our community play sports betting, both men and women, young and old, uh, and to some extent, sports betting is a source of income to many people. So, for this, we are going to use AI to solve our problem in that AI is going to predict the future events based on patterns and trends. And in this, the AI can also help us analyze the strength of the team, strength and weakness of the teams, the teams that they are matching against. So, this AI can also filter and find the new trends and patterns that may not be seen before evaluating the terms and performance over time. This will help us predict at least to 95% accuracy of our 95% accuracy of our predictions and events to occur. So, mainly, if you go back to the data we shall use in this project, we are going to use the concept of web scrapping, whereby we shall get some information from internet, from some sites, in that we can integrate them into our AI and get the best of it, and can analyze in the best way. So we are going to use supervised and unsupervised learning, although we are going to mainly focus on supervised learning since it's a startup and it's kind of a beginner side. It's mainly based on beginner side. Then further we shall improve and go to the unsupervised learning. And the supervised learning, we're going to use the classification by using the 3 layers of neural networks, in that each layer of the neural network has to connect to each other, in that we can produce something good. So the other thing we have, there are AI technical problems or technical challenges we are going to face. For example, complex algorithms trained with our AI models. Mainly, if you look at the algorithms we're going to use the conjugate gradient descent algorithm, the Levenberg Marquardt algorithm, and the back propagation. Those mathematical algorithms are kind of hard and difficult to implement, but since it's a beginner level project, it will help us build more and more of our AI. Even determining the right data set is also going to affect us. If you look at, there are very different many data sets. If you choose a wrong data set, it will lead you to producing something that's not good, getting false, or getting predictions that are not standard. Remember, this is a computer, and your garbage, if you follow this thing of garbage in, garbage out, what you feed the computer is what it outputs. So if you use a wrong data set, everything will be wrong, like the predictions you make. So if you go to the solutions, the solution to this challenges is like you should select the right data set, and at least this will increase the accuracy. This will increase the accuracy of our AI. So if you proceed to the accuracy and if one score, that's the main classifications or matrices we shall use. And this accuracy mainly deals with the true positives and true negatives. And this accuracy matrix mainly deals with those true positives and true negatives. The F square deals with the false negatives and false positives, and these are so crucial in our algorithms. Then if you go to the recall and precision, the precision is the number of true positives divided by the number of the true positives plus the number of the false positives. Earlier on, I will introduce the formula and the way these matrices work, and the way they will be helping us in our algorithms, and the way we are going to produce our work. So, if you go back to the evaluation metrics we are going to use in our AI, mainly we are going to use the classification accuracy, the logarithmic loss, whereby all these are mathematical matrices that will help us evaluate our artificial intelligence. So, for those who need the references to the content I've delivered, please you can follow those links, and at least you'll get something good. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next.